Welcome to Wallpaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on Android. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen and then go to wallpaper and style, then tap on change wallpaper. Now from here you can set any type of wallpaper as you like. From here you can set featured wallpaper. Also from here you can set wallpaper from your gallery. You can also set graphical or colors wallpaper. Now if you scroll down and then tap on this icon, from here if you want to download more wallpaper, then tap on get more wallpapers and then tap on top. Now from here you can download any type of wallpaper as you like. From here if you want to set this wallpaper, just tap here. You can set this wallpaper lock screen and home screen. If I select only home screen and then tap on next, then tap on done, and it's done. Now if you go back, now you can see in my phone wallpaper has been changed. And that is how you can change wallpaper on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.